Welcome. In this lesson we're going to cover Lesson 6, Learn 1, Inserting a Table. We'll start off by making sure we're in Office 2016, Word 2016 Core, clicking on that, and then we'll bump over to Lesson 6. Alright, we're doing the first Learn Inserting a Table. Since I've already completed it, I'm going to click on Practice. You can always redo any of the learns by clicking on Practice. I'm going to go ahead and close that in the background there. Click on Continue, and that will take us to the beginning of the lesson. I'll uncheck that. Working through the steps here, it says create a new blank document, so I'm going to go File, New, and I'm going to click on New Blank Document. And then step 2, it says click on the Insert tab and then in the Tables group. So I click on Insert, and then in the Tables group I click on Table. It says to start at the top of the box in the grid and drag in the grid for the table with 4 columns and 5 rows. I like to go across for my columns. It says 4 columns and then down to 5. You can see it says 4x5 table. Then I click. That inserts my table and gets me started. Alright, so to begin with here, it says click in the first row, click in the first cell, row 1, column 1, and key in first name, and then touch the tab key, and I use my pinky finger on my left hand and touch the tab key on the keyboard, and then key in last name, touch tab, and on 6 it says in the third column type division and press tab. Division, touch tab, and then step 7 says in the last column type local space number sign, and then I'm going to touch tab again, and then it says to type all this information here. So I'm going to scroll down so I can see this, and I'm going to key that in. I can grab this here right at the title bar. It's not illuminated, but you can see it there, and I'm going to key in the information that it has here. So Jameson and Topanga, home 3301. I can touch tab, takes me down again. Wanda, Amadel, business 3302, and it's Bingley, Yang, home 3303. I touch tab again, and it's Kalinda, Brasangh, and this is life, and that's 3304. Alright, and then click at the end of the table. Click at the end of the table in the local cell number for a Kalinda row and press the tab to create a new tab. Okay, click at the end of the text in the local number right there, and I can go ahead and close that, and it says touch tab. That creates a new row, and then I'm going to type Hope, Misika, life 3308, and that completes that learn for lesson 6. Let's check our results. Let's see how we did. It looks like we did well. Alrighty, if you need to repeat the video, feel free to do that, or if you want to repeat the entire learn section, you can always click on practice. Good luck.